Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this though, I just wanted to say thank you to all my subscribers, and if you are watching this and you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. I try to have a video every day. Sometimes I don't put one out on the weekends, but for the most part I have a video on every day during the week. But yeah, hit the like button if you enjoy the video and leave me a comment, even if you just say hi. I enjoy reading the comments, and I always try to get back with you as soon as I possibly can, because I always enjoy reading your comments. So, alright, this comes to me from Newcraftday, and I just want to say thank you to Newcraftday for sending this to me to share with y'all, and let's get right into it. So, I'm just going to randomly grab something out of here. Now, I'm sure you have all seen these. This is kind of the new thing right now, so of course I had to get one. These are the 6-slot pen holders. Now, they do come in this clear, and they also come in black. I went ahead and just got the clear. Let me just set this over here out of the way. But they should be pretty easy to assemble. You should just be able to put these right in here, like so. And then this goes over here, like so. If I can line this up, just like that, maybe. Get it even. Yay, nay, no, yes. Really? Doesn't I have them right? Is there a certain way? Really? Okay. So, this is what it looks like. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places to put your pens. Alright, and this is, let me see. Alright, it is called 6-slot pen holder plastic pen organizer makeup brush rack. $3.11. And like I said, it comes in the clear or the black. Let me grab a couple pens. We'll get a couple different looking pens. Just to see what it looks like using different types of pens. Okay, so here's one. There's 2, 3, whoops, 4, 5, and 6. Y'all see that? So I can't see what y'all are seeing. Not real well, anyway. So these are all different shapes and sizes, and they all fit perfectly well. So I'm just going to set that right over there out of the way. Alright, so alright, the next thing that I got This is just your typical toolkit, and it has got a little square of wax, green boat, and a pink single placer pen, and that's all you need to do your diamond painting. And this is a round diamond painting, and it has got the canvas number on here. It has got the DMC number on here, and it's got the weight of the drills on here, and those are the colors. Very pretty. Got purples and teals and browns and pinks and yellows. Very pretty. Alright. And this is a poured glue. Now this is called Elf Girl Holding a Doll. It is a 30 by 30, and it is $4.66. Move that just a little further away. And it has got a schematic on the top left, the bottom right. There is the thumbnail, if you can see it. But as I said in a previous video, which I am doing a bulk video on this day, so I cannot remember what the name of this artist is, but I do know that this is a licensed artist. But I think that she has got some of her artwork she has put it out there for the public, is what I'm trying to say. And if I'm wrong, somebody tell me in the comments. But I'm thinking so. But anyway, you can see this is Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas that she is holding. So she has got, her hair is red, and then she's got some teal, and then she's got her wings. It's a little small, but you can still make it out. Is it great? Perfect? No, but you can still make this out. This is a good, okay size. I think it's going to look okay. You're going to have some color blocking in here, but you're also going to have some confetti. It doesn't look too bad. Pretty sticky. I think it's going to look okay once you get the drills on it. And the drills look pretty good. They don't look too bad at all. So yeah. So she was $4.66 on Newcraftday. So there's that one. And then the last one that I have, I can get this one out, is a special drill. Typical toolkit. The drills, which those I will open. Roll this back. And this is the one I got. I thought this was very pretty, very colorful. It's got 12 gems. And it is a partial special drill. And as you can see, none of this part right in here is going to be drilled. Just where you see the color. And let's look at these. Now, this one is called Butterfly, and it was $4.81. Now, I will leave a link in my description box for everything that you see here, so that way you can go and you can check it out yourself. But oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those. Y'all see that? Oh my. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at those orange ones. Ooh, look at that. Those pinks. Wow. Ooh, look at that green. And the orange. Aren't those pretty? This is going to be really pretty. I haven't done a special shaped canvas in a while, and I have got quite a few. I just haven't done any. I'm working on one canvas, and it's just a little. I mean, it's not a little one. I don't even remember what size it is. It's a long one, but it's a budget-friendly long one. And I'm halfway done with it. And then I think I might ought to do one of these. Just, you know, because it's different. But yeah, this is really pretty. I love the colors in it. So what do y'all think? I am very impressed with this. And I like this, even though I have got the long makeup holders that, you know, you stick the pins down in. I like this because, like, when I'm working on a canvas, I tend to set my pen down. Like, if I need to get up and go do something, I'll set my pen down and it'll go rolling. So this will be good to, like, just set my pen down on this so it doesn't roll off my desk. So this will be cool. So, alright, y'all. That's all I got for Newcraftday. And y'all let me know what you think. Leave me a comment. Like I said, I know I've seen several creators unbag these pen holders. I think they're pretty neat. They work out pretty good. So on Newcraftday, right now they have got free shipping for orders over $60. And if you spend $16, you get $1 off. If you spend $30, you get $3 off. And if you spend $60, you get $10 off. Plus, they have got not only diamond painting, but they have also got scrapbooking. They have got resin molds. They have got paint by numbers. They have got cross stitching. They've got DP tools. They've got, you name it, they've got it. So y'all go check them out. They've got all kinds of stuff. You wouldn't believe what they've got. So I'm going to leave the links to all of this in my description box. And then that way y'all can go check all this out. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.